Hi everyone, I am deeply sorry for not uploading in a while. I've been very busy with work from after what the world has been going through, so hopefully we will recover from the madness sooner than we thought. So today I have an unboxing to show you, and it's a really cool unboxing. I really hope I'll be happy with this one. Alright, let me grab some sharp object. I'll be right back. Got my handy dandy sharp blade. Let's see if I can cut this open. There we go. Ah, Alright, come on. Keep forgetting about this part, the lid. There we go. And there we go. Sorry for the cut. The address obviously just shown in the box. I couldn't show it, so yeah. Alright. Let's see what is in here. Ooh, it's all in this one package. Okay. Put the box here. And let's reveal a haul. Let's look at the tender. Oh. Looks nice. The ladder is kind of on the rusty side, but hey, you know, it's all good. Wheels are nice and clean. Yeah. I'm starting to like it. Now, oh ho ho. Look at this. Just look at it. Norfolk and Western's Y6b. A little dusty, you know, I'll have to clean some of that off, but look at that. How many of you have ever seen a Y6b that has a silver smoke box or just a detail like this? How many of you out there have seen that? I mean, I think the previous owner must have done that himself. I think I might have to fix that at some point, but yeah, I think I'll have to fix that, but oh well. I really do hope this thing runs. He does say it runs. I do hope so. But yeah, look at that. That looks so awesome. Anyways, I'm gonna get this thing dusted off and we'll see how it runs. Oh look, the bell. The bell is even painted. Oh, I don't know if it's painted, but yeah. It's missing a part there, but I think my cab forward, I can get that from my cab forward and put it on there. I think. We'll have to see. But yeah. Anyways, let's see what the tender's like with it. God, this thing is so awesome. Oops, something fell off. Right. Look at that. So big, can't get it in shot. Alright. I think, yeah, piece of stair fell off. I think I'll have to glue it back on, won't I? Yeah, I think I do. Alright, it ain't an issue. Alright, be right back. Okay, I'm not gonna oil it just yet. I want to see if this thing at least runs. Ooh, tender freewheel's nice. That's a good sign. Oh, the steps fell off again. Hang on one second. Alright, I had to super glue the steps back in. That's not a problem now. I fixed it. Should dry soon. Yeah. Already, this thing looks nice. Alright. Connect the tender with it. Might have to do this while it's off the track, don't I? That's alright, give me 1 second. Okay. It's a bit rough, but I got it. I hope. I'm just putting it back on again. Alright. Let's see if it moves. That ain't good. Oh. Heard something. Well, what do you know? I think connection's on wrong? Could it be that? I'll have to see. Or I might have to service it. Alright, I think that might be right this time. Alright, now let's see if that's it. Okay. It wants to go. It does want to go. Let's see if I bring the pin connection up a little bit more. Not sure when was the last I saw sparks. Probably shouldn't have done that. Was a bad idea doing that. It wants to go. You can really tell it really does want to go. Come on. Alright, let me turn this off. Let's see if I can bring the... I think that's the size it would go. Yeah. It wants to go. I know it works. You can tell it wants to go. Alright, I think I might have to check the wheels. I didn't check them, did I? I may have to give it a service, so I'll be right back. Alright. I cleaned the underside of each set of driving wheels. I gave the motor a lubrication, and I gave the gears the driving wheels a lubrication, so let's see if it works. Okay. Come on. Okay. It's starting to go. Okay. Come on, girl. You can do it. It's going. Only just. Well, at least it's moving. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Alright. It's only just going. Only just. Well, after running for a few minutes, it runs beautifully now. I don't like the clicking noise that it's making. Hopefully I'll look into that eventually, but my god, this thing is awesome. I love it. I think, and its wheel's clean. I think. So I might get to that at some point. Oh, that didn't sound good. Alright, so a fair bit of cleaning on the wheels and a bit of running time. It actually runs much nicer now. Look at that. It runs fantastic. It still has that clicking noise from somewhere in the wheels, which I'm not really a fan of, but hopefully I'll fix that soon. But hey, I am very, very happy with this engine. Very, very happy. Very nice gentleman who sold me this model, sorry. Does the light still work though? I wonder. Haven't noticed the light. Oh no, the light doesn't work. Oh no. Oh well. Hopefully I'll fix that soon. I know what you guys want to see. You want to see this engine hauling some freight cars, do you? Well, lo and behold, she can pull them. The caboose I have on her isn't a matching caboose, not matching Norfolk and Western caboose, but hey, you know, it's still a good puller. Very, very happy with this model. I'm definitely gonna run this thing for a good while. Oh man, yeah. She wasn't performing very well at first when I got her out of the box, but hey, now she is. She's going to be an excellent runner in my collection. I really do love that silver smoke box. I really do love it. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.